Hi there, Andy Lodge, ICO. Welcome to another fascinating episode of Meet the ICO Customer. Sometimes it's a roofer, sometimes it's a distributor. Today we're with Brett Ray. Nice to meet you, Brett.
Nice to meet you, too.
Tell us a little bit about what you do, what your company is, and how it works with ICO.
So Select Adjusters has been around for about 2 years. We are a public adjusting firm. We help people. I like
Get adjusted?
I like that face reaction because nobody's ever heard of a public adjuster.
It's insurance, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
The insurance company will have an adjuster go take a look at your roof and the damages, but then the homeowner has no representation. We make sure that we represent the homeowner to get the maximum amount on their claim. We just happen to focus on roofing. Roofing is our bread and butter. We go in and we go out and we get the most amount of money for that roofer to get the work done. We have a special partnership with a few different roofing companies. So we make sure that the roofing companies are doing the job how they should be doing it. And of course, they use the best product out there.
So I train all the representatives that go out, the face of the company, getting out there and getting to know people.
So in the Phoenix area, and great, I understand you're expanding too. You're
Yes.
gobbling up territory. So you've got how many reps or whatever?
So currently we have about 10 full-time, probably about 5 or 6 part-time that come and go.
When Brett drums up the business, he tags it off to
Yeah,
you? Okay.
exactly.
And you get the job done?
Yep, exactly.
No, not personally. Are you out there roofing?
No, I don't do that.
Good, smart man,
No,
okay.
I just make the phone calls.
Okay, now when you're not writing the checks and paying the roofers and coordinating the works, what are you doing for fun when, you're not a golfer, right?
Glenn is a great golfer.
Well,
but,
I've heard legend. I haven't seen it
he's
firsthand
legend,
yet,
yeah.
but
So,
we'll have to confirm one day.
I play soccer. I'm a big soccer guy, Barcelona.
Okay.
I grew up playing every sport imaginable except for baseball. I don't play baseball. That's
Okay.
the one I can't handle for some reason. But I play a lot of volleyball. I actually just played volleyball
Oh.
with some of our coworkers last night. We have a really good group of people too.
Well, appreciate your time. Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Play the games.
We will.
In the game of life, which there is a game, the game of life.
Yeah.
Anyways, in the game of life, there's work and there's fun, and keep it fun. In the work stuff, keep going with ICO and appreciate your business.
Yeah.
And for taking the time today. I know you got stuff to do, It's kind of, I'm semi-retired, so it's every day Saturday almost, but I know it's a work day. It's a Tuesday here in Arizona. You got stuff to do, so get back to it. Thanks for dropping by.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.